Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are currently at the Ugbor village road, which is located around Ugbor, GRA, Benin City. So this is a very popular road in Benin City because along this road is located the Ugbor market, and at this very junction you are seeing right now is the Kabaka junction, where the very popular Benin Kabaka reside. So they are currently working on this road. They are trying to remove dirt, remove sand from the drainage system to make the road more motorable. So it's no news that whenever it rains, this road is usually waterlogged. So vehicles are usually stuck in this part of this road, and it normally causes gridlock because of the bad state of the road. So they are currently working on the bad part of the road, and also they are trying to remove sand from the drainage system, because the reason why this road is like this is because the water has no channel to pass through. So whenever it rains, you see water covering some parts of the road. I think working on the drainage system will go a long way to reduce the way this place is usually waterlogged whenever it rains. So this is the Ugbor village road, and today is actually on a Sunday, so I just want to show you guys what it currently looks like, and what the drainage currently looks like. You can see this drainage. This one used to be filled with sand, but they have removed most of the sand from the drainage, and they are still working on it. Actually, they are still working on it, and with time, because it's currently rainy season and it rains almost every day in Benin City. So this is just a quick video to show you the ongoing work. It's not really a major work actually, but just to update you guys on the ongoing work taking place in Ugbor village road for some of us, or some people that normally make use of this route. Depends. So you can see some sand over there. Those sands were actually removed from the drainage. When constructing a road, I think having a good drainage system is very important. It will determine how long the road is going to serve its users. So this is Country Home Road, Benin City. So I actually just did a video of the Ugbor village road, and this is another video of Country Home Road. So just take a look at this road. This road needs a replication of what was carried out, or what is currently being done in the Ugbor village road. Taking a good look at this road and the drainage system, you can see that it's very poor, and the drainage is filled with sand. This place is not good. Country Home is actually a very popular place in Benin City. The Obasanjo hospital is located along this road. I feel like this place needs to look better. During the time of obaseki, they actually worked on this road, and I'm surprised fast forward to this time, this place actually looks like this. It's supposed to look better. So you can see that the drainage system is so poor. It's filled with dirt and sand. So whenever it rains, this place is likely going to be filled with water. And recently, I think some buildings or some structures that were close to the road was removed and demolished. So just to give the place a better view, but the view will not get better if something is not done about the state of the road, because this place look actually shabby, and it doesn't tell where this place is supposed to look better than the way it currently looks. You can see that some parts of the road needs to be worked on. The road is not looking nice at all. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.